Okay, picking up where we left off. Okay, not all shapes are polyhedrons. And so, for example, a cylinder is a three-dimensional figure with two parallel congruent circular bases connected by a curved surface. It's not considered a polyhedron because everything's kind of curved. And a cone has one circular base connected by a curved side to a single vertex. And so when you have circular aspects or curved surfaces involved, then you don't have a polyhedron because polyhedron is all about the flat, parallel type sides. And same thing with a pyramid. Pyramid has flat sides coming up off of the base. So when you have these curved features, you don't have that. So I just realized that, know the difference. Also know what a cylinder and a cone is. Sometimes we, like in our previous assignment, you may have a cone with the top part sawed off. All right, let's go to our next slide here. All right, so in this, do a couple example problems here, or highlight a couple example problems here for you. All right, because you're going to have a problem similar to this one for your assignment to be completed. And so you're going to have to name the base of whatever object you have. And if you see it says RSTUV. So let me just get my pen out here. We'll go through RSTUV. So RSTUV. And then of course you get this connected back to there. So that connection base. Now your base is also considered a face because it's a flat surface. Now then we talk about our other parts here, our faces here. So we see QVR, QVR. That's that far side is a face. QRS. That's a face. And then you get the QST. That's a face. So all these triangular portions of face here is in QTU and QVU. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you see how there's 5 triangular faces coming off of that bottom pentagon. Okay, edges. You get QR. Let me do a different color here. Do blue. So QR. So here's your edge. This is an edge. This is an edge. This is everything coming down from Q to these pieces here. So you got those ones there, and then you got the UT, you got the UV, you got VR, you got RS, ST. So you gotta make sure you name them all. Make sure you name them all. Don't just give me a couple, name them all. Okay, vertices. Again, we'll go with the green for that one again. Again, U, V, Q, R, S, T. And then of course it asks, hey, name some Q lines. Oh well, let me get a different color here. Go with the purple. Okay, QV. All right, QV is way in the far back here. QV, way in the far back. And TS. They're nowhere near each other. They're coplanar. They're not parallel. They will not connect. So that would be an example of Q lines. And you only have to give one example. You don't have to give a bunch. Just give the one. All right, let's go to our next slide here. Oh, and so slide 6. And again, here would be another example. Let me erase this. Boom, 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 sway, erase. Yeah, I have to get 2 erase. Happy. Okay, again. Okay, and this one right here, you can have like multiple bases because it all depends on which one you line on. You don't really know which one you're gonna be lining on, and that's why it gives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they all count as faces as well. So that's how you have to. So the figure the rectangular bases that are parallel, congruent. So and then we get edges, which we already talked about. We got our vertices, and we get our skew lines. Let's talk about the skew line because AE. Oh, there's skew line. That's right there, and FG. FG's in that far side there. Notice how they're nowhere near each other. They will never connect. All right. Well, I'll let you go out here.